Hey guys, welcome to another video. On this week's video I'll be showing you how to make chicken saag at the Indian restaurant style. I've opened up my kitchen a bit more for you so you can see a bit more of my working space. So what I've got my basic gravy, I've got my pre-cooked chicken that I've made. I've got another portion left, so I'm making another dish today for you. I've also got I've got my saag, pre-cooked saag. I've done a video on how to make saag. I'll put the link on the description so you can check that out because we're going to need our saag for this recipe. And I've also got my mixed curry powder I'll be using, so that's my recipe. And I've got the normal stuff, ginger, garlic paste, tomato puree and some onions chopped as well. Having said that guys, I'm going to crack on with the cooking. So this is going to be chicken saag, a really nice tasty dish. I'm also going to be using the oil from the base gravy. Now that is packed full of flavour, so we don't want to waste that, so we're going to use that. So scoop as much as you can. First things first, ginger and garlic paste goes in. Chicken saag is actually one of my all-time favourite dishes. It's really nice. If you want to make it spicy, you can do. I will be making it spicy today. The next thing we're going to add is going to be our kasuri methi. Just a pinchful rather. Get that in there. And then we're going to put our onion in there. Tiny bit of salt, so don't forget our base gravy has got salt, chicken's already got salt, so we're just going to put enough salt in now so the onion gets the salt flavour and caramel. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so, as well as give it a like, share our channel and comment below. Let us know what you think of our recipes. Which of our recipes you've tried and you've loved. We'd love to hear back from you. Our onion has gone soft, so I'm going to add my tomato puree. And now I'm going to add my mixed curry powder in there. It's about one. Now, if you want to make it spicy, you've got to make it hotter. Now is the time to add your chili powder in here now. Slightly medium to high flame, cook the spice out, let the spice come alive, and then we're going to start adding our chicken and saag as well. I mentioned this on the other video. The best thing about having fresh based gravy is that you get the flavours, you get to use the oil from the base gravy just like we do at the restaurants, and that's where the flavour and the magic happens. So when you go to Indian restaurants and you have the curries and you can't replicate it at home, that's probably one of the reasons as well. Hopefully if you follow my recipes, guys, and you use these tricks and tips I'm giving you, you'll be able to replicate the recipes just as we cook them in the restaurant. That was close. Right, let's get our chicken in there now. So this is my pre-cooked chicken. If you haven't seen my video for pre-cooked chicken, I will add the link on the video. Well, I'll add the link to the video on the description below. Now this here, guys, this is all flavour. So add any leftover sauce from your chicken, add them to your dish. And add my saag in there. Put it on low heat so you can hear me. One of the other reasons why you get so much flavour from the Indian restaurants is because everything is pre-cooked, so everything's already, well, it's already pre-cooked, so therefore the spices and the flavouring is already there. And as we do pre-cook it, we might use it in a low, following day, the spice gets enough time to get marinated into the chicken, into the saag, into the base gravy, and that's where most of the flavours are as well. If you try having a curry leftover the following day, leftover curries the next day, you'll probably find that it tastes even better. Two scoops. Again, with the base gravy, add as much or as little as you want. Just make sure the spices are cooked. Depending on how saucy you want your curries, add your base to that. Generally, this chicken saag is quite like a boona, like it's quite a dry dish, so that's what I'm going for. There we go. Coriander, and I've got a couple of tomatoes. So our saag chicken is ready now. Now this is slightly dry, so if you want more, this is how, as you can see, saag chicken, this is how I prefer it. If you want more sauce, curry sauce, add some more base gravy, let it come to a boil, and then you're good to start having it, guys. Right, so saag chicken is ready, so it's just time to plate it up. I've got one of these containers. Perfect portion, isn't it, guys? Check it out. Saag chicken, chicken saag, whichever way, it is absolutely going to taste delicious, this one is. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the recipes. Please let us know what you think, like and comment. I would love to hear back from you. Enjoy the recipe, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Chicken saag once again.